This absolutely free app pays PayPal money instantly and you can install it on both iOS and Android. So if you want to make money online with your phone, then this video is for you as I will walk you through the entire process step by step and give you some bonuses at the end to help you maximize your results. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, a dollar sign will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. Alright, now this is actually the platform that will allow you to set everything on complete autopilot. But this is not the app that we will be talking about, so we will leave this for the end of the video. Now with that said, I also want to show you proof that this actually works. So even though it's not paying a lot, you can definitely make some money with this. And they do pay, and PayPal is just one of the ways you can get paid. If it's not available in your country or you don't want to get paid through it, they do have different payment options, so you don't worry about it. This is just proof that it actually does work. So you can see that they accept different payment options, including Amazon gift cards, PayPal, App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Bitcoin, and many more. So PayPal is not the only option, but yeah, I personally prefer to use it because it's easy and fast. Now the app that we will be using is actually called featurepoints.com. You can also find it in App Store and in Google Play Store. This will help you set everything on autopilot and it will help you maximize your results. If you want to see that, stick with me until the end of the video as I will share with you the strategy that we never talked about earlier on this channel. And I have never seen anyone talk about it on YouTube. Anyways, once you come over to featurepoints.com, you'll be able to go through this main page and see exactly what this is all about. But first of all, you can see that they have paid out almost $6 million to their users since 2012. They have a lot of different ways you can make money with this app. One of them is by winning instant contests. So each time you log in, you'll be able to participate in these contests. Basically, to do just scratch and make money if you win the contest, which is really good and fun. And something they added recently that wasn't available last time, you can also complete the different surveys, which is not something that I really recommend because those surveys can sometimes be boring and long. They can take quite a bit of time. There's easier way to make money with this and I will show you exactly how because I want you to do it quickly so you can just ignore the surveys right here. If you shop in these stores, you can also earn cash back. This is a great way to save some money if you buy shop online. And lastly, you can also get paid by downloading free apps with feature points. You can download free apps on your smartphone device and make money each time you do that. You don't have to pay for anything, and sometimes those apps will even be paid versions, but you'll get them for free and you will get paid for using them. So it's really cool. It's a great platform. You can definitely go through featurepoints.com and see exactly how it works. Read more about information, but let me show you the step-by-step process and exactly what you actually need to do. So first of all, click on the sign up or login button right here. And if you're using the app version on your smartphone device, it's gonna be a little bit different, but it's pretty much the same. You just install it, then you sign up for free either by entering your email address in this box or sign up with Apple, Facebook, or Google. It's really easy and it's super quick. It takes no more than 2 minutes. Now, as I said, completing those surveys, winning those contests, earning cash back, or downloading apps are not going to make you a lot of money. It's not going to be a lot. So how do you actually make more money with this app? How do you actually take full advantage? Well, you can do so by referring other people to the app because you'll be making 50% over the lifetime earnings of the people that you refer to the app. So, you send someone once, and whatever they earn on the platform lifetime, you'll be making 50% of it. So, if someone makes $1,000 with this app over the lifetime, you'll make $500 just from that one person alone, completely passively. You will not have to do anything, and you'll be paid $500 for that one single person. So that person will not lose anything. They will still get their full $1,000, but you'll just earn an extra $500 for referring them to this platform, which is really insane. So, I want you to grab a referral link, and instead of just spamming your friends and family, which is not okay to do, link the link from featurepoints.com and go to the platform called emoneyspace.com. As you can see, you can create an absolute free account on this platform. This is your personal space to promote or talk about internet money related subjects. So this is the platform where people come to talk about different ways to make money online. So you can join the forum and you can start promoting your referral link and tell other people that they can join Feature Points through your link, and they can start making money by downloading apps, completing surveys, and so on. It's a good thing that you are referring them to an absolute free platform that's going to pay them for completing those simple tasks. And that's something that they're interested in. So it's a win-win. They sign up for free, they do start making some money online, and in return, you're making 50% commissions from each person that you refer. Now, that doesn't mean that you can't complete these contests and surveys yourself as well. You can maximize the results by doing that as well. Complete those surveys, download those apps, complete those offers, and on top of that, refer other people. Then you're definitely making more money with that. And that's how you truly maximize your results with this absolutely free app. Now with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.